Hello, welcome to my very first video here on YouTube. My name is Felix Astner. I'm a software engineer, mostly doing AI search and e-commerce like Magento and stuff like that. And I mostly do everything together, like all the three things, which culminated in my new Nousion AI platform, which I want to present today. It is a platform that is GDPR compliant. That was one of its main goals. So we've got everything in Europe. You can obviously use it from outside, but a lot of companies have problems around data that might get to the United States or some other foreign country. And Nousion AI isn't doing that. We've got also three models, like I've got Helium, Helium Lite, and Helium Pro. Helium is the default one. Helium Lite is like a smaller model, and Helium Pro thinks a little bit harder on tasks, which makes it more suitable for like coding and math and scientific things. You can try it out with a simple prompt. I prepared something here because we play a little game with my friends, and it's about Die Stämme, which is a travel games. I don't know how it's called. We're playing it all the time, and we've got a lot of fun doing it. And it, as you expected, writes a script about a 5-minute YouTube video towards gamers and things like that. Yeah, it got a hook and everything around that. But the main strength of this platform is obviously not writing YouTube video scripts, but its connectors to your Jira and other services. I provide here 4 different connectors. For the beginning, it's Jira, Utrecht, Gmail, and Google Drive, and in the background it can combine all 4 of them and all future ones of them. I've got a plan of integrating MCPs and other services, so you are not limited to those ones, but those had the most profound benefit for me, because I currently can ask it about my tasks, and it combines my a Utrecht task with all its comments and different Gmail conversations around these tasks, around the tasks I've got in Jira, for example. And then it combines it with a document and Google Drive. And based on the combination of those 3 things, for example, it can give me a way better answer than ChatGPT might give me. ChatGPT isn't as good in my experience as my own implementation. And yeah, that's about that. I provided an example here which can show that's the wrong one. Copy. Dang it. So it's around my own AI platform, obviously, because I can't give you any details or information about my own clients. So it searches a Utrecht about what my next task around about this platform is. And you already can see it answers in German, that's not a fault, not an error. I told it specifically in the past to answer in German, and the tickets are also in German, so it answers in German. And a nice thing here is I can open this Utrecht ticket, for example, and it gives me a little preview of it. I will extend it. I've got a task which integrates better UI for custom connectors, so in the future each connector can have different UI components and previews and everything, and you might also get the ability to write comments, for example, on Jira tasks or Utrecht tasks, or you can answer emails from within the platform. There's also a work in progress task which proactively writes drafts for your emails, and you will see that in the homepage of Nousion AI, where it then gives you like 5 drafts for 5 conversations, for example, and you just need to say okay, send, and it will send the email, or you can like change it beforehand and then answer it, or you can dismiss it altogether, like whatever you want to. And as you can see, I can do that with everything. Implement, document, upload, that's a work in progress that I will finish today and publish today or tomorrow after a few testings. And yeah, also I need to improve my data privacy pages. I've got a few of them already, but you know, little stuff. And what else is to say? You can switch your models within a conversation, so you don't need to be at one model for the whole conversation, but you can change in the middle. In Copy, you've got syntax highlighting, and it's always good to say, okay, that was a good or a bad answer. And let's see, what else is there? You can create organizations, and within organizations you can add API keys, and those allow you to use your OpenAI client with Nousion itself, and you obviously need to buy the credits, because I don't give you all the models for free. I don't have that much money. You can try Nousion for free if you go to Nousion AI, and you can just chat with it. If you're not logged in, you can only access the Helium Lite model, because that's the smallest one, and as I said, I've got limited money. If you need more, you get Helium if you log in. And if you're not logged in and don't have a pro version, I will use that for training, because I want to make the platform better for obvious reasons. It should get to be better. It should know what you want, what you need, and it should also be more accustomed to your problems and communications, and also what all people together are asking it. And that's about it for the moment. I hope you try it out, and you can always reach out to me. There are a lot of emails on Nousion AI. You can reach out to me at info@nousion.ai. Just write a short message or whatever. You can also reach out to me at info@felixasner.com, which is my primary site for development and basically development stuff. And have a look, and if you want more, give this video a thumbs up and follow for more. Thank you.